So what we have to do in the maximum now? First, in column wise, whichever is higher, you look after. First one, among the minimum, which is the highest one. Second one, in the maximum, which is the highest one, stock is the best act. Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. PSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I'm handling Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 3, Session 3, in favor of BBA. We'll go to decision making, and last time I already told you. So there are so many possibilities are there. How to take the decision in the management. So management is such a beautiful subject which we are having. How to take the decision. A wrong decision may lead to so many losses. So that before doing that, no, so many times you have to think and take the decision. So according to it, we are going to have the sum of the problems, how the decision will be taken in a different angle. We'll move on to problem now. X wants to invest in one of the three investment plan. So Mr. X, a particular gentleman, wants to invest in shares, in units, in FD, fixed deposit. This is called portfolio management. Investing in different categories is called portfolio management. Whatever the money he's got, he wants to invest in shares, in units, in FD. The payoff metric, because he already got this so much, what's called result of this, the payoff metric is given in the following table. Determine the best investment plan using each of the following criteria: maximum criteria, minimax criteria, Laplace criteria, Herbies when alpha is 0.5. If we look after, these are all the alternatives. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3. You can say this. This is your A1. This is your A2. This is your A3. Alternative plans. First, you add the figure. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12,000. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3 is 12,000. 3,000, 3,000 plus 5, 4,000, 8,000 plus 3, 11,000. This is 5 plus 5, 0, 9,000. Come back here. 1,500 plus 500 is 2,000 plus 3 means 5,000. This is a total results. So what are the question he is going to ask? First is maximum. So what we have to do in the maximum now? First, in column wise, whichever is higher you look after. Column wise, which is here 3,000. Another here 3,000, which is here column wise minimum, maximum, minimax is there, no? Maximum, then you can take, which is the minimum one in column wise. Here minimum is 3,000, here minimum is 2,500, here minimum is 500, among the whichever is highest. So which is the minimum as per column wise? One is 3,000, another is 2,500, another is 5,000. So we'll go to a same, no, maximum here, no? Here, maximization is, no? First is minimum, then go to a maximum. So if you go with the row column, 5,000 shares, here maximum is 3,500, here maximum 3,000. Among them, highest is 5,000, shares is the best act. First minimum, column is minimum, which is the minimum one. Here is 3,000, here is 2,500, here is 2,000 is 500 is there. Among them, whichever is the highest, you have to select. First one, column wise. If you go with the column wise, no. First is 3,000. Second is 2,500. Second is 500. Among the highest, which is the highest, you have to select. Then go to the what's called row wise. 5,000 is the highest. You say share is the best act. Share is the best act, we are going to say. In the column wise method, what we have to do now? First, go with the lower values. Go with the lower values, no? Here, no, go with the lower value. Here, no, S1, S2, S3 here. Shares, which is the lowest one, 3,000 here. 2,500 here. 500 is, among the highest is 3,000. First one. If you go with the row column, highest is the share is the best act. We'll move on to problem now. Column wise, working note. column wise. So highest is, lowest is lowest. 3000, A1 is 3000. A2 is 2500. A3 is 500. Among the which is the highest one? A1. A1 is the best act. Among the minimum, highest is the best act. Come back to second one. Here no, share is 5000. Highest is, share is 5. Row wise. Share is the row wise. Share is the best act. Shares is the best act. Row wise, shares is the best act. We see that shares is the best act we got. Then this over. Come back to minimax criteria. Minimax criterion. Regret table. S1, S2, S3, A1, A2, A3. So you have to prepare the regret. Which is the highest one? 5000 is the 0. How much today? 3500. It becomes 1500. Next is 1500 gone means here 3500. Which is the highest one? 4000 is 0. 3000 is 1000. Next 500 is 3500. Then S3, highest is 3000 is 0. Next is 2500 means 500. Then 3000 means, so A1, here no, this regret table, among the which is the lowest one? Lowest. A1, 0. A2, lowest is 500. A3, 0. So A1 and A3 is the best act. So A1 is 0. Here lowest is 500. Here A3 is 0. So A1 and A3 is the best act. Then Harvey's criteria, HURWI's, Harvey's criterion. What's the formula? Expected return is equal to alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. Alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha minus minimum payoff. You'll go one by one. First one. Here, alternative. Shares 5000 minus 3500. So alpha is, what's the value of alpha? Alpha 0.5. What's your maximum payoff? Here 5,000 plus 1 minus 0.5 into minimum pay off is 1,500. Then this is 5,000 to 500 is 2,500 plus 0.5 into 1,500 is 750. Add 0, 5, 2, 3,250. So second one, 4,000, same, alpha 0.5 into 0.5, maximum payoff, here no, maximum payoff, we can say that maximum payoff and minimum, this is share A1, A2, A3, here no, share value maximum is 5,000, minimum is 3,000, units 3,500, we can take like the column wise, no, maximum payoff, we can have the maximum payoff here with a minimum payoff here. What I did now, this one, column wise maximum I'm going to take here. Here 5,000, 3,500 I did know. He come back here. Second is 4,000. Here, if here 5,000, maximum payoff is 5,000, minimum is 3,000 here, unit, maximum, minimum is 5,000 here. Here FD, these are all the things you have got. Maximum is 5,000, minimum is 3,000, maximum is 3. If you take the column wise, maximum is 5,000 because no, here alternative maximum payoff, maximum 5,000, minimum is 1,500. Here come back, 1,500 into 3,000. You can take this as 3,000. So 3,000 into 0.5, 1,500, 5,000. So it becomes 4,000. Then come back here, second one. Maximum is, come back here. If we take this as a column wise, maximum is how much? 3,500. Here, 0.5 into 3,500 plus 1 minus 0.5 into, what's the minimum payoff here? 2,500. So 3,500 into 0.5, 1,750 plus 2,500 into 0.5, 1,250 plus 1,750, 3,000. I took the column wise here. What is the next one? This goes to here now. So share we have gone. First is shares. Then second is units. Third is FD. Come back to FD. Highest is 3,000. 0.5 into 3,000 plus 3,000. The lowest is 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff of this FD is 500. It is 1,500 plus 500 means 1,500 means half means 250, 1,750. This is FD. So this goes to share, this goes to units, this among which is the highest one? Share. Share is the best act. Shares is the best act. So formula alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. This formula you have to learn. We'll move on to next problem. A person wants to invest in one of the three alternative plans, stock, bonds, and saving. It is assumed that the person wishes to invest in all the funds in a plan. The condition payoff of the investments are based on three economic conditions: accelerated growth, normal growth, slow growth. The payoff matrix is given below. So here I have given alternative. One is stock, one is the bond, one is the saving. And the acceleration growth is 10,000, 8,000, 5,000, 6,500, 6,500. So these are all the things you have to do. First, working note. So here, maximum criteria, minimum, Laplace, and yeah. Here in the last problem, no, Laplace criteria, Laplace criterion. The first problem, which is the highest one, 12,000, number of units is 12. This is shares, 12,000 divided by 3, 4,000. Then units, what's the total units now? 9,000 divided by 3 units, 3,000. Share units, fixed deposit. What's the total of fixed deposit? 5,000 divided by 3. 1,667. Which is the highest one? Shares. Shares is the best act. Regarding the Laplace criteria, shares is the best act. We'll move on to next one. You have got stock, we have got bond, we have got saving. It has been given like this. So here is accelerated growth, normal growth, slow growth is there. Great, working now. First is alternative investment, investments. Investments. What are the investments? Stock, bonds, saving. Stocks, bonds, savings. Stock, bond, saving. Alternatives: A1, A2, A3. Total minimum, total maximum, total. First we'll write stock 10,000, 8,000, 5,000, 10,000, 8,000, 5,000, then 6,500, then 6,000, 5,000 alternatives. This goes to A1, this goes to A2, then A3 minus 4,000, $1,000, 5,000. So this goes to A3. Stock, yes. Stock minimum is how much? Minus 4,000. Here, bonds minimum is how much? 1,000. Here, minimum is how much? Say 5,000. Here, maximum 10,000 is the maximum. Here, maximum 8,000. Here, maximum 5,000. Make the total 10 plus 16,500, 4 gone means this is 12,500. total of these. This is 8,000 plus 6, 14,000 plus 1,000, 15,000. This is 5 plus 5, 15,000. So minimum is 4,000, maximum is here, among the minimum is 4,000. So minimum of stock is here, minimum of stock is 4,000, minimum of bonds is 1,000, minimum of saving is 5,000. Among the highest is saving is the best tag. Minimum criteria, minimum criterion. So it will go to stock minus 4,000, bonds 8,000, savings 5,000, which among the highest one, highest rupees 5,000 is the best act. Is the best act. So second one, bonds, here no, here minimum, here no, 4,000, 5,000, come back here, here 4,000, here minimum is 4,000, come back to maximum, stock A1, 10,000, bonds 8,000, savings 5,000. Which is the highest one? First one among the minimum, which is the highest one. Second one in the maximum, which is the highest one. Stock is the best act. Stock is the best act. Come back to, I think you understand this. This is the minimum. This is the minimum. This is the minimum. This is the maximum. Maximum alternatives. Total have done. Whichever the highest I took into consideration. 10,000, 4,000. So here now minimum is 4,000. Second one is 1,000. Second is stock. We have got 4,000. So minimum criteria minus 4,000 stock minus 4,000 bonds here 1,000 bonds. Then savings is 5,000. Among the which is the highest one, saving is the best tag. Then in the maximum, first one stock is 10,000. Bonds is 8,000, saving is 5,000, which is the highest one, maximum. Stock is the best act. Now, Laplace criterion, Laplace criterion. So, first one, stock. How many alternatives are there? 3. 12,500. Divided by 3. So stock, you have got total is 12,500 divided by 3. 4,167. This goes to stock. Then bonds 15,000 divided by 3, 5,000. This is A2. This is A1. This is A2. A3, alternative. Savings. How much savings are there? 15,000 divided by 3, 5,000. Which is the highest one? A2 and A3. Therefore, A2 and A3 are the best act. A2 and A3 are the best. Highest is this one. Then come back to alpha is 6,1. Here we got 10,000.4. This is okay. We'll go to stock. Harvey's criteria. Harvey's criterion. What's the formula? Expected return is equal to alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. Come back to shares. First one, stock. What's your alpha? 0.6 into what is your maximum payoff here? What's your maximum payoff? 10,000 plus 1 minus 0.6 into what's your minimum payoff? Minus 4,000. So 10,000 into 0.6, 10,000 into 0.6, 6,000. This is 0.4 minus 0.4 into 4,000 minus 1,600. Deduct 4,400. This goes in favor of stock. Come back to what's the next one? We have got bonds. $0.6 into what's your maximum payoff for bonds? 8,000 plus 1 minus 0.6 into minimum payoff here 1,000. So 8,000 to 0.6 is 4,800 plus 0.4 into 1,000 is 400. Add the figure 5,200. This goes in favor of bonds. Last one, in favor of savings. $0.6 into what's your maximum payoff? 5,000 plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff also 5,000. 0.5,000 into 6, 3,000. 1 minus 0.6 means 0.4 means 2,000. This is 0.4 into 5,000. 2,000. Totally 5,000. Which is the highest one? Bonds. This is A1, A2, A3. Bonds, that is A2 is the maximum. It is A2 is the best at. Hope you understand. Alpha into maximum payoff. That is why I have done this minimum, maximum, total. Easy to calculate. Easy to calculate these alternatives. Alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. Among which is the highest one? Bonds are the highest returns value. So that is the best act. Hope you understand this. I have gone through very slowly. You must be very careful about the alternatives and which is the highest one. So minimax, no, find out the minimum among them, which is the maximum you have to calculate. In the maximax, no, find out the highest value among the whichever highest you have to calculate. Okay, this Laplace criteria, make the total divided by 3, which is the highest one. In alternatives, no, 1 minus maximum alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. Hope you understand. Hope we'll meet in the next session with another good problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.